It's a 2015 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes the SRX has been doing some very heavy lifting for Cadillac, particularly since the Porky DTS was put out to pasture. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.